Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you really quick how you can create this look right here. It's something very easy and it's stark and dramatic but elegant, and you can see that I didn't apply fake eyelashes, so you know that not every look needs fake eyelashes in order to look complete, because I really like this. You can do this for a date night or just a night out with the girls or really any occasion, and then it looks nice and simple but dramatic and elegant without the fake eyelashes. So I really hope you guys like this look. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos, and give this video a big thumbs up please if you did like this look. And now let's get started. As always, I'm going to start by cleaning the bottom of my eyebrows, and for that I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer. And if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I do have a few tutorials using different products, so I'll have all of those videos in the description box below, so go ahead and check them out. And I'm also going to be using this concealer as a primer for my eyeshadows, so I am going to apply a little bit more on my eyelid and I'm going to blend it out with my e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge. And I always use a sponge damp, that way it can blend everything out really nice. And you can also use a brush or your finger, and as long as you blend it out in tapping motions, it'll be really nice. And I don't move on to the next step until the eyeshadow, or not the eyeshadow, the concealer is nice and blended. And now I'm going to grab my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder and a fluffy brush from Profusion to set the concealer. And you can also use translucent powder or a matte eyeshadow that's the same shade as your skin tone. And this is an important step if you want to apply and blend out your eyeshadows really quick if you don't have enough time. Setting the concealer is going to help to blend out the eyeshadows a lot faster and easier, so I always recommend this step, especially if you're going to be using dark eyeshadows. Today I'm going to be using this Stay Wild eyeshadow palette from SheGlam. It is such a gorgeous palette. You can see the eyeshadows right here, really pretty, and I love the quality. The formula is amazing. And the first eyeshadow I'm going to grab is this one right here, which is a really dark brown eyeshadow, and it's matte. And I'm going to be using this little brush. This comes in the Rimmel eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to be using this side of the brush. It's very, very small. So I'm going to apply this eyeshadow right above my crease. I don't want it to be directly on my crease because I want it to be visible when I have my eyes open. So I am applying it looking straight forward. As you can see, I don't have my eyes completely closed as I'm applying and blending it out, because like I said, I want it to be visible. So I just want to make sure that it's applying like above my crease. And I want this eyeshadow to go from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. And it's really important to use a small brush like this one, because this eyeshadow is only gonna go like in that little area. Just want to blend it out a little bit better, but it's just that area right there above the crease, so I don't need a big brush. And then if you want your eyes to look a little bit bigger, you can just keep blending out the eyeshadow and it's going to start moving higher, like towards the eyebrow. But don't start by applying the eyeshadow right where you want it to be, because then you're going to blend it out and then it's going to move higher. That's why I always say to start lower than where you want the eyeshadow to look nice and blended. So even if you do want the eyeshadow higher, like right here, just start like I did, apply it right there, and then just keep blending it out, and then it's going to move higher. But if you start too high, you might not like it and it's going to be hard to go back. So yeah, like I said, it just depends how big you want your eyes to look, or like the eyeshadow on the eyelid. Since I'm not going to apply fake eyelashes, I didn't want anything like too dramatic, which is why I just wanted to be above the crease and not make my eyes look too big. So yeah, I feel like it's cute. So it's already looking somewhat nice and blended, but you can see that when I lift my eyebrow, it doesn't look so cute, and that's something that bothers me, because I mean, you can just leave it like this and it doesn't look that bad, but this really bothers me. So to help blend it out better, I'm gonna grab from the same eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna grab this eyeshadow right here, and I'm gonna be using the same little brush. And to me, this looks so much better. I'm going to grab some of the same e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer with my finger, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid from the inner corner all the way to the outer corner. I want most of the product to go on the eyelid. Make sure you don't start with too much product on your finger. You can start with a little bit, and then if you need more, then you can just keep adding more, but don't start with too much. And then to blend out the edges, that's really important because it depends how you leave the edges of the concealer. That's exactly how the eyeshadow that you apply on top of that, how it's going to stay. So for this look, I don't need to have a harsh line on the eyelid, so I want it to be nice and blended. And I'm just going to use my finger. Just once I don't have too much of the product, I use my finger to blend it out in tapping motions, kind of like swiping down right on the edge. Then I'm going to grab this eyeshadow right here from the same palette. It's such a gorgeous shade. Like I see this as a very elegant and dark, intense, but not too dramatic eyeshadow. I really love it. And I'm also going to apply this with my finger on top of the concealer, and it's important to not wait too long for the concealer to dry, because if it's already kind of drying up, it's not going to hold on to the eyeshadow well. So it still has to be pretty creamy for the eyeshadow to stick, and so I want the edges to be nice and blended. And for that, I'm also going to be using my finger, just with whatever's left on the finger. I'm just going to go over the edge really lightly so I can apply it and blend it out at the same time. Now with this tiny brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics, I'm going to grab this shimmery eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to apply this on the inner corner of my eye. And I feel like this gives it such a cute look with the eyeshadow on the eyelid combined with this shimmery eyeshadow. It's such a gorgeous and elegant look, and you can actually apply literally any shimmery eyeshadow or highlight right here. Any highlight will go with this eyeshadow right here. It can be purple, pink, blue, green. Like any shimmery eyeshadow would look really, really cute, and it just depends what you're gonna wear or what lip color you're gonna put, and it's just such a cute look. Since I'm not going to be applying fake eyelashes, I do want to curl my lashes, and if you're looking for a great eyelash curler, I highly recommend this one. I forgot the name of the brand, but I'll leave it in the description box below. This is my favorite one, and it's only $2. And I'm going to be using Maybelline's Lash Stiletto Mascara for today. I use a waterproof mascara, and I'm going to do the same technique I always do when I don't apply fake eyelashes. So I normally apply 2 layers, and I'm always careful not to apply any mascara on my eyelid. And you can also just get a card, a napkin or something to put behind the eyelashes and then apply your mascara like that. That way you don't mess up the eyeshadows. Now I'm going to grab this black eyeliner from LA Girl, and I'm going to apply it on my waterline. If you don't want your eyes to look too small or too dark, then skip this step, but I want my eyes to look a little bit darker, so this is going to help with that. Then I'm going to apply the same mascara to my lower lashes, and I'm only going to apply 1 layer right here. And that is it for today's video. That was the final step to complete this look. And like I said, this is something dark, dramatic, intense, but cute, elegant, and very simple without the fake eyelashes. So I really hope you guys like this look. If you did like it, please like this video and leave me a yellow heart in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!